Pink House, and this is Dan Coughlin, and our sweet boy Seymour, who's going to be 1 next week. And we had the most amazing trainer, Brent, who took in Seymour for the last 2 weeks. We definitely were not sure what to anticipate, but we are so excited to see all that he has learned in the last 2 weeks. From a lot of excitement and jumping, from not being a bad dog by any means, but just needing those obedience skills. He has shown how much he has been able to learn with the basic commands. The jumping has stopped altogether, and we just noticed that he is a calmer dog, and we're excited to continue to practice, especially with Brent, who's going to continue to work with us. We got videos every day, especially while being on vacation, which we really appreciated to see his daily progress. And I don't know, I cannot speak enough great things, and we are just so happy that we went through this experience and that we had Brent.
I'll keep it short and sweet, but Brent, thank you for training our dog. We have been overly overwhelmed with the videos, the positivity that he's displayed, you have displayed towards our dog, and we look forward to continuing working with you in the future. Thank you.